You will be amazed by this 2023 Honda Ridgeline. This Ridgeline takes a thoughtful approach to meeting the demands of your active lifestyle. You'll love its rugged capability, smooth ride, and easy handling, as well as its clever cargo and entertainment solutions and customizable all-weather driving modes. It's a hard-working pickup truck that's anything but ordinary. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, fog lamps, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, rear AC, power driver seat. Get the pickup that has your back whether you're on a country road, city road, or no road at all. Test drive this extraordinary Honda Ridgeline.